I'm at Sewerby House and Gardens today, or Sewerby Hall, and it is also known this is Clock Tower Cafe. And this is in the courtyard where they have a zoo, and this is the house or hall itself, and it's open. It's mid-July 2020 with still social distancing and all that. We're very close to the sea now, and you'll see how close in a second. So good space here, a lot to do for kids, and it's really reasonable at about £6 an entry for adult and about £4 for a child 3+. Really happy I found this place. It's on the edge of Bridlington, you know, the coastal town in East Riding of Yorkshire. So yeah, very well organized, very friendly staff. It is kind of busy because but the sea is right there. You sit on these benches and admire the sea, and there's also a cliff top walk here, which I'll try to film, but house is pretty impressive, and I definitely want to go and check it out. Cafe is open for takeaway only now, but you can sit on those picnic tables at the front and get a takeaway at the back, right through that entry there. And it's the same way to the zoo, mini zoo that houses lemurs and penguins and all sorts of small animals, even llamas. Good for the children. Yeah, hope you're enjoying your day wherever you are. This is Elena and this is my channel. Welcome back. This is the house that stood here on this side until 1714, and then it was knocked down. Cool, huh? Exploring inside the house. Bedroom. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Isn't it gorgeous? This is the drawing room. Just off orangery there. You can hire this place for events, by the way. Imagine your wedding here. Wouldn't be a bad place if you're local. Maybe too far to come otherwise, but it's beautiful. And I would imagine the rates would be very reasonable. Billiards room, huh? Who wouldn't want that in the house? Oh, this is a dining room, isn't it? And the view. There's a parlour. Love this room. So cool. It's kind of dark. I'm playing with the light here, but incredible house. This is the dressing room. It's connected to a playroom. It's currently not set up due to pandemic and restrictions. We can take a little train from here and go to town centre. It's only a mile and a half away. Cool, eh? This also serves as another entrance. Check out this view. North Sea all the way. Yeah. And our cricket club right there. Isn't this amazing? What a place to build a house, huh? This is North Sea. There's some really good beaches in Bridlington as well, and a historic town and a couple of ancient churches and stuff, so it's well worth a visit. But you could probably spend a whole day just here.